So, once you have identified that your partner's immature behavior is causing problems in your relationship, there are some steps you can take to challenge this dysfunctional dynamic. Don't forget to see a counselor at noraarake.com/booking. Step number 1. Observe your own behavior. Ask yourself how you are enabling your partner's behavior, how you are supporting it. It might be that there are some things you're doing, certain aspects of your personality and life experiences that have influenced how you relate with your partner. If you look back in your childhood and you feel like you had to grow up fast, were you overly responsible because you had to take care of your siblings and your parents? Is it possible that you are continuing to perform the caretaker role even in your relationship and your marriage? Think, look back. Now listen, woman. The caretaker behaviors that you were stuck with as a child don't have to define how you relate with others as an adult. You need to learn and define healthy boundaries in your adult relationships. Number 2, set and enforce boundaries. You should know that it is important to set the boundaries, but this is not going to change your partner's immature behavior. These boundaries are for your health and well-being. Remember that you are not responsible for changing your partner's behavior, but you can only support them as they work on making changes. Number 3, you can also work on changing yourself. If you have been enabling and supporting your partner's behavior without knowing, now is the time to change yourself. Let go of the caretaker role. This will help both you and your partner to move forward. I've seen many ladies thinking, what will he do without me? What if he dies? What if something happens to him? He won't die. Nothing is going to happen to him. He will grow up. You are the one blocking his growth and maturity. Step aside. This will help him to realize himself when there is no one to clean after him now. Next, you should always be honest with yourself whether or not your needs are being met in this relationship. If your partner is not willing to do the work they are supposed to do in order to become a more mature man and emotionally available partner, this is a time to decide whether this relationship is satisfying to you or not. Next, get support. You can go to noraarake.com/booking and talk to a family, marriage and relationships expert. During this time, throughout the process, your partner might benefit from working with a professional to understand their behavior and work on changing it. As Nora, I can help someone understand and identify the underlying reason for their behavior. Did you know that emotional immaturity, the mommy's boy syndrome, Manchild syndrome, can sometimes be a mental health problem, such as depression, anxiety, or borderline personality disorder? Did you know that? You might also find it helpful to work with a counselor on your own. A professional can help you do the work you need to do. Support your partner as they work on making changes, and honestly assess whether the relationship is healthy for both of you or not. So, go to noraarake.com/booking and book in your appointment. And once you have started, each of you, doing your own work, you might then find it important and helpful to come together and see a marriage counselor. This will help you so much in your relationship. So again, go to noraarake.com/booking to book in your counseling appointment. Follow my handles. I'm leaving them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you've learned something. I hope you've liked it. Give it a thumbs up and share it. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me hear from you. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, I notify you first. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.